Hello listener. Hello listener. In our previous video we have seen that a linear equation will give you straight line. Okay? And a pair of linear equations give you three possible straight lines. Either your straight lines intersect with each other. There is one of the possibility. Either your straight line does not intersect means it will be parallel, or otherwise your straight line coincide with each other. There are three possibility of straight line. You will get it whenever you are finding a solution by using graphical method in a pair of linear equation. In our previous video of part 1 of graphical method, we have done one example problem. We show how your straight line intersect with each other, and we will do some more examples to get clear understanding of this graphical method of finding a solution of a pair of linear equation. Okay, what is our next example is the cost of 1 kg potatoes and 2 kg tomato was rupees 30 on a certain day. After 2 days, the cost of 2 kg potatoes and 4 kg tomato was found to be rupees 65. Find the cost of 1 kg of potatoes and 1 kg of tomatoes each. This is our example. Let's do its solution. Okay, let's do its solution. Let 1 kg potatoes be x and 1 kg tomatoes be y. What is your first linear equation? X. What is your 1 kg potatoes is x. What is your tomatoes is y. 2y is equal to 30 rupees. What is your L2? The cost of 2 kg. 2 kg means 2x plus 4y is equal to 66, means 2 linear equation you got it. 2 linear equation you got it. Okay, for what is your first linear equation means L1 is x plus 2y is equal to 30. So we have to take where x is equal to 0. Substitute x value in your equation. 0 plus 2y equal to 30, y equal to 30 by 2, you will get as 15. So what points you will get coordinate is x is 0, y is 15. Let's take L2, let's take x equal to 2. You can take x equal to 1. Suppose if you are taking x equal to 1, 29 by 2 means you will get in decimal points. Try to avoid fractional part. So we are taking x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. Substitute in your L1. Okay, 2 plus 2y equal to 30. 2y equal to 30 minus 2. 2y equal to 28. Y equal to 28 by 2. What you will get? 14. So what coordinates you are getting? 2, 14. Next take where x is equal to 4. Okay, substitute in your equation. 4 plus 2y equal to 30. 30 minus 4, what you will get as 26. 26 by 2, what you will get? 13. So what coordinates you are getting? 4, 13. 4, 13. Just put your coordinates in your table so that you can easily remember it. Okay, you can easily remember it, and it is easy to draw a graph. Okay, it is a graph. Okay, x and y coordinate. When x is 0, y is 15. When x is 2, y is 14. When x is 4, y is 30. Okay, this is L1. Let's go for L2. L2, what is your L2? 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. Okay, let's take where x is equal to 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 4y equal to 66. 4y 66 minus 2, what you will get? 64. Y equal to 64 by 4, what you will get? What you will get? 16 4s are 64. So what coordinates you are getting? 1 comma 16. Next take where x is equal to 3. Substitute in your equation. 2 3s are 6 plus 4y equal to 66. Y equal to 66 minus 6, 60. You are shifting your 4. What you will get? 60 by 4 you will get as 15. What is your next coordinate? Is 3 comma 15. Okay, 3 comma 15. 3 comma 15. Just take where when x is equal to, okay, you can take when x is equal to, when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 4, when x is equal to y, when x is equal to 3. Okay, when x is equal to 0. Okay, write it. When x is equal to 5, substitute in your equation. 5 2s are 10 plus 4y equal to 66. 4y 66 minus 10 you will get as 56. Y equal to 56 by 4. 56 by 4, what value you will get at? 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. What coordinates here? When x is 5, y is 40. Okay, just to draw the L2 graph, L2 table. Graphical table with x and y coordinate. When x is 1, y is 16. When x is 3, y is 15. When x is 5, y is 14. Okay, y is 14. Okay, the board is very small, so I have to rub all the calculation we have done for finding L1 and L2. I have noted down the when x value is 0, what is the value of 5. So I have once again written the values which we have got for L1 and L2. Means linear equation 1 and linear equation 2, line 1 for line 2 coordinates we got it. L1 means you can say line 1 coordinates, L2 is line 2 coordinate. What is the maximum value of x is 5. Okay, what is the maximum value of y is 16. Okay, y is 16. What is the maximum value of y is 16. So you can take up to 20. Okay, you can take up to 20. Better to use graphs for plotting the dots to get a straight line. I am using rough graph. Okay, just point out the dots in a equidistant manner. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Maximum value is 5. Okay, maximum value is 5. 6 7. Okay, here maximum value is 16. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, you will, okay, I am rubbing L1, I am writing here L1 coordinate. Okay, okay, what is your L1? XY, what values you are getting? 0, 15, 2, 14, 4, 30. Okay, 4, 13. Just plot it. Let's start L1 line. Okay, first straight line. When x value is 0, here is x, y is 15. Okay, y is. When x value is 2, x value is 2. What is the value of y is 14. 14. Okay, this will be the. What is next one is when x is 4. Okay, what is y? 13. Just go 4, 13. If you are using graph, you will get perfect graph. If you are using graph paper, you will get perfect graph of the points. This is here, join the L1 dots. Okay, just join it. Okay, this is your L1. Just go for L2. When x is 1, y is 16. Okay, 16. When x is 3, okay, when x is 3, just I will rub it. Okay, 15. Just go 15 here. Okay, and next one is when x is 5, 14, 14 here. Okay, just go. Just join the L2 line. L2 line. This is L2 line. Okay, it is a parallel lines. You got it. The what kind of straight lines you got it? You got it. It is a parallel lines. It is a parallel lines. Okay, write it below this graph. Okay, here I have no space to show you. That's why I am writing it. Just better write it after this, after drawing the graphs. It is a parallel lines. Why it is parallel? Because it is not intersecting. Because it does not intersect. Since lines don't intersect, the equation has no common solution. When a line is intersects, you will get a common solution. It is a parallel line. It does not intersect. It does not has common solution. Do you see any common solution? Such pair of linear equation which have no solution are known as inconsistent pairs of linear equation. Why it is called as inconsistent? It is also called as inconsistent because it has no solution. It has no solution. Has no solution. It has. Okay. It has. Why? Just go to the problem. In where we say that 1 kg tomato, 1 kg potato. Daily, do you see the same price? Okay, the price differ from today and tomorrow. So you will not get any common solution because its solution changes. So it is a parallel line. It is also called as inconsistent. It has no solution. If you had any doubt regarding anything, just drop your doubts in the comment box. Okay. In our next video, we discuss about third type of straight line with an example.